Did you know that the Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years? This architectural marvel stood at 146 meters when it was completed around 2005-6 BC. It's a testament to the ingenuity and skills of the ancient Egyptians. Speaking of ancient structures, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, was said to have been built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his homesick wife, Amytis. Though their exact location remains a mystery, they are described as a remarkable feat of engineering, with terraces of greenery cascading down the walls of the palace. Fast forward to medieval times. The medieval period was not just about knights and castles, it was also an era of remarkable inventions. Did you know that the mechanical clock was invented during this time? The first mechanical clocks appeared in the early 14th century and revolutionized timekeeping, making it more accurate and reliable. In the realm of exploration, Christopher Columbus' voyage 1406 is well known. But did you know that Leif Erikson, a Norse explorer, reached North America nearly 500 years earlier? Around the year 1000 AD, Erikson landed on what is now Newfoundland, Canada, establishing a Norse settlement called Vinland. Let's now shift to the Renaissance, a period of great cultural and scientific advancement. One fascinating figure from this time is Leonardo da Vinci, a true polymath. Beyond his famous paintings, da Vinci was an accomplished inventor. He conceptualized flying machines, armored vehicles, and even a rudimentary form of the helicopter. In the world of science, Galileo Galilei made groundbreaking discoveries in the 17th century. He improved the telescope and used it to support the Copernican theory that the Earth revolves around the Sun. His observations laid the foundation for modern astronomy. Jumping to the 19th century, did you know that the first ever photograph of a person was taken in 1838? Louis Daguerre captured this historic image in Paris. Though the street appears empty due to the long exposure time, a man having his shoes shined was still enough to be visible in the photo, becoming the first human ever photographed. World War II, one of the most significant events of the 20th century, was marked by numerous acts of bravery and innovation. One lesser-known fact is that during the war, British intelligence used Monopoly board games to help Allied prisoners escape from German POW camps. Special editions of the game included hidden maps, compasses, and real money smuggled in through humanitarian aid packages. And finally, let's talk about space exploration. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969, which landed the first humans on the moon, was a monumental achievement. But did you know that the computers used for this mission had less processing power than a modern smartphone? It's incredible to think that such a historic feat was accomplished with technology that seems so basic by today's standards. That's all for today's journey through history. I hope you enjoyed these fascinating glimpses into our past.